Hi, I'm Umang Jain. We are a total of 4 team members, and every one of us is from the same college, which is CTA Udaipur, and it is in India itself. And now, many people find it difficult to know what are the top 10 cryptocurrencies, what are their past trends, what are their daily trends and their ups and downs, and how they can trade them. So, we have come up with a solution where one can do all of these in just one platform. Let's see how.
Hi, my name is Subin S K. Our project KryptoCase Wallet, which helps the user to select the best cryptocurrency in which he can invest in the market accordingly to the latest trend in the market. Let's see how. In the application, after entering the credentials, the user can see the top 10 cryptocurrencies which is in the market. In the table, he can get the names of the top 10 cryptocurrencies and the market cap, price, volume, and circulating supply, and the change in percent in 24 hours. In the table, if we click the market supply, we can get a comparison graph between the cryptocurrencies according to the market cap of those cryptocurrencies. In the same way, we can get the price, volume graphs of those cryptocurrencies. The user can also add the cryptocurrencies to his favorites. The user can also delete his account by clicking delete your account button. The user can also buy cryptocurrency by using his PayPal account. He can check his balance in the top right corner of the program, where he can check the balance of his BTC and other cryptocurrencies also, and the USD dollars he holds. The user can also send cryptocurrencies to another user. The user can also receive cryptocurrency by getting an ID. The user can also sell his cryptocurrencies. The technologies we used in this project are Python as our programming language, MySQL to store our data, tkinter the GUI, Coin API to get the latest real-time data from the internet.
Hi, my name is Chaitanya Agarwal, and I would like to tell you about some of the issues we faced while working on this project, like finding the right API for real-time cryptocurrency data. Secondly, since it was our first time while working with tkinter library, we faced some difficulties, but in the end we managed to overcome those problems, and we learned a lot while doing this project.
Hi, myself Kaustub Pandey, and this was our first team project. So we learned a lot during this project. We used API to retrieve real-time data from the internet. We connected SQL and Python file to import and store the data. During this project, we developed an excellent coordination and understanding between our teammates.
Thank you.